Yo producers, what's up? This is Alien Chaos, and this is one more video about making Hitech on Bitwig. So now we are making a sound design session, and in this video we are going to create an ambience patch, really nice, that we can complement the arrangement of this track. So let's go! Okay guys, this is the project. I already made some sounds, a blub sweep, some FM, some plucky sounds, and now I'm gonna make the ambience. Everything using stock devices from Bitwig. I already made kick and bass and drums, so if you skip these classes, go check it out, the other videos. And also, if you want to have this template with all these presets and stuff, go to my YouTube membership plan. You can find a button here on the YouTube channel, okay? So let's go. This patch is gonna be a little bit more complicated, okay? But let's go. It's super fun. And here I have a new instance with already a MIDI note already there. So let's add Polygrid, our favorite synth in the sound design session. Okay, ADSR, completely straight, and now I'm gonna change this to, no, I cannot change here, oscillator. I go here, sampler. Okay, I'm gonna use a sampler for this. It's super nice. You see how it works. And now I can scroll to some samples. I want to get some noise. Maybe this one. Oops. Okay, now it's a sampler, okay. What I'm gonna do here is go texture and then freeze. Nice, then from a single sound I can get a nice tone. Let's go to white noise. But nice. This is more like only the initial sound, the root of sound. We're gonna make something else with this. It's gonna create this character is the filters, okay? So this is basically just for you to understand. You can use any sample. I just use white noise, and then here on the device I'm using freeze, okay? Freeze, and then you can change the different types of synthesis here. So here you change the position, which is also this knob here. But the most important is use freeze, because then we are only using the texture of the sample. Without motion would be nice to make some FM sounds, but I want much more texture. Okay, that's it. Now let's go to filters. I go to this one because I want to use a bandpass filter, high resonance, not so high like this, but we can go higher like that also. And then gonna drop a comp filter later. Let's see, more feedback. Just to give more metallic sound. Okay, that's nice. Let's use an LFO here, creating the stereo. So a lot of sounds, different sounds, lot of different texture. But now let's go this with another level. Let's add effects. So now we're going to use a convolution reverb. This one. We can increase the mix. Nice. But for example, I can use crazy stuff here. Oh, that's nice. Something like this. Nice. Now let's add a reverb after it, or longer reverb. Super nice. We can make different effects. Oh, look. Nice, nice. So we can keep going. Now go to wet effects. Gonna drop a filter. Just to tame this high end of the reverb. But for me, that already sounds nice. Okay, let's control a bit of the volume and then use with this check. For this, maybe we're gonna add saturation. Yeah, just to give more drive. Maybe a saturator before the cue. Nice. Let's collapse some plugins, and I'm going to use more different effects. Nice. Okay, let's record this. We don't have much time. Super nice. Now we have a nice ambience layer that we can make the sound design, the future, the arrangement part. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and let's keep working, guys. So leave a like in this video, comment, share with your friends. Let's keep this community alive. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.